Last nila.
Sabi niya pre, wait, can you go T7?
Dumadami sila. G-daw.
Ito ba yung tawag ito?
You're looking, okay? You're looking.
Tagline ni Coco Marti. Tapos na po, sir.
Okay, that's a fake. They have one more engage.
Engage.
Guys,
Wala.
Yo, focus now, guys. Focus, please. Focus.
Luya, Dani.
They have cooldowns again. Careful. They're looking now. Comes southeast. Defend now. Yo, remember guys, they're Gucci now. So you need to be careful, extra careful. Come northwest. Q's and W's inside, boys. Guard runes on the choke. Yo, everything inside of us. Ready? Northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Drop only on me. Q's and W's inside. Tanks up front. Tanks front. Q's and W's inside. They're looking. I'm gonna drop Judy here. Defend now. Heal up. Hammer now.
Naka-force mode combat ng isa.
Kill him. Northwest. 3, 2, 1. On me.
Looking.
Kill him. Okay, guys, careful on the front. They're looking. Okay, nice. Guys, come south.
may
Hammer.
bomb ba sa ano?
May bomb red circle. Range up at the front.
Outside.
Yo, if you don't have defensives, patay si Droner.
Oh.
Patay.
I told you guys, if you don't have the defensives, don't go front. Guys, take space on the southeast. Focus, you fucking shitters, focus. Now they're looking now. Ready def. Def now. Hammer now.
Resetting ako. Resetting game.
Hammer the northwest, guys. Hammer that one and hammer the northwest. Where's my D-Tang hammering here? Careful, guys. They're looking.
Reset.
Open na kayo.
Guys, do not stop there. Spread southeast. D-Tang's on the front. Spread now. Spread. Ready defense.
May bridal bomb sila.
Ready defensive. Okay, guys, kill this 7 mace. 3, 2, 1 on the 7 mace now. CC chain him. Def now. Heal up. Come southeast now. Come southeast, get heal southeast. Pre, wala ba nagpa-break ng hammer sa taas?
Dismounted na southwest Southeast yung mga shita.
Wala pa.
Okay, I need some D-Tang sa taba.